Now let's take a look at other markets. We see the crypto market is getting some kind of relief rally. We've seen the fear greed index also ease from extreme fear, but still in extreme fear, but by 16 points this morning. It's still extreme fear, but it was better than yesterday, about 10 points yesterday. And we see the market cap at $1.31 trillion. That's up about 3.76%. And we see volume traded up about 54.12%, with Bitcoin trying to get to a fresh increase above that 30,500 resistance zone. We see price of Bitcoin this morning, $31,619. That's up about 3.57%. All right, let's bring in Gilbert Jopata now, digital market analyst. Hello, Gilbert. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Ladi.
Yeah, you sound excited. I'm sure you're enjoying that relief rally. But some are saying Bitcoin is not out of the woods yet. What do you think?
I agree with them. It's not. The market is still ranging. So technically, we haven't left the position which we're at.
Still in those in that position, right?
Yes, technically, we are still in a range-bound position. We haven't broken below it, neither have we broken out of that structure. So technically, I actually think everything is still the same way it has been. But there is always a strategy to trade the market in whatever direction the market takes, whether it goes, whether we are in a bull market or we are in a bear market. Like the old saying always go, if you can't control the direction of the wind, adjust yourself. We can't control the direction of the market, but there are techniques and strategies that we could use as investors or traders to still remain profitable. You know, like traders can always take short position since the market will always go down. We'll have more downside than upside. So traders can always take short position. This is taking a sell position by speculating on the price, on price is falling and making profit as the price go down. So I like calling this the market is moaning in reverse because you still make money as the market goes down. While on the spot, you know, the market don't go down in a straight line. The same way we are in a bull market, the market doesn't still go up in a straight line. So even if we remain in a bear market, we are still going to have micro short-term upside. So what spot traders can still do is take advantage of this by finding a good entry position, taking profit, and managing risk. On the other hand, investors are actually having a great time, investors that are prepared, because in a bear market, it's easier to spot weak projects and founders to avoid, and it's even easier to spot battle-tested founders, projects, and great assets to buy at discounted rates. These are rates you would have only dreamt of, but dollar cost averaging is your friend. Don't go all in. Quantitatively ease yourself into the market. This is what investors will do while they look at projects like Bitcoin, because, you know, during crises, large corporations always look for store of value, and Bitcoin is always there. Most persons will also look out for other large market cap currencies that have been battle tested.
Right.
But I think the large attention should only be paid to other cryptocurrencies once we have capitulated. In a moment like this, you want to be sure you're putting your wealth or storing your wealth in solid projects. I'm also a fan of dividend investing. So solid crypto that pay dividends is also a great place to look at.
Yeah, most of those are staking projects. But Gilbert, you know, this is Bitcoin's time to shine. You know, that argument about, you know, Bitcoin being a hedge, you know, against inflation, we've not seen that, you know, happen yet. And we're still seeing inflation, you know, rage on globally. But maybe somehow Bitcoin might show, you know, that attribute all of you talk about. What do you think?
Okay. But you know, hedging is an investment strategy. So if you are coming to use Bitcoin as a hedge, you need to have a strategy for that.
Right.
But you don't just buy because you think it's a hedge. You need to have a hedging strategy. So
a hedging strategy.
Investors need to have an investment strategy that fits your investment goals and plans. So if you're coming in to use Bitcoin as a hedge, you need an investment strategy that fits such investment goal at the end of the day.
Right. You don't just jump in thinking it's going to hedge, against inflation just like that. Thank you so much, Gilbert. It's always great to talk to you.
Yeah, the pleasure is mine, Mr. Lack.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay, now we look at the top alts by market cap. We see it's mostly green on that counter with Cardano, the biggest mover there. That's up about 26.51%. And we see eCash up 5.11%. And XRP there trying to get back above that 40 cents range, trading up about 5.03%. All right, that's it for the crypto market.